So here's my plasma cutter, which I made. It took roughly about 2.5 weeks in evenings and in between Christmas. So I made the frame out of 2x2 steel. I made that pre-Christmas. Yeah, brought it up to my workshop, left it in here while we closed down, and did all the electrics and that day after Boxing Day, and got it completed before the new year. Then just assembled it all up here. So I've got NEMA 23 motors, 2 motors on the x-axis, and the z-axis. I bought this system, but it had a 2-wire motor on it, which I didn't know how to wire up. So I've got a little stepper motor in there, and now I've got a mechanical z-axis with a floating head. The control box that we use Vectric or Aspire. I couldn't find a post processor for this device, so we came up and learned how to write G code. This is the DDCSV 3.1. I like this controller. I've got it on a couple of CNC machines. Works well. So this is what we've got for the post processor, and a job that in there which runs. I'll just make it go. It's got a bit of a pause on the Z. I've got to try and work out how to take that out. So here we go. That's the pause I want to take out. And that one. I think it'll work pretty good. I'll post another video when I get my plasma cutter set up to it. It's nearly there. I've just got to tidy a few things up, make the tank, the water bed. Yeah, it should be good. I've mucked around with CNC machines before, but I've never actually made one. I've just modified them. So this is my first project of making a complete machine. Pretty happy, really. Yeah, thanks for watching.